Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. In this video, I want to talk to you about buying traffic the right way. Now, you probably coming online, you're probably thinking, I got to buy traffic. Somebody said buy traffic. Maybe you watched another video and they said you got to buy traffic for your business. And let me just tell you, buying traffic for your business is going to be one of the best things that you can do. But it also can be very scary because you're thinking, I got to spend money in order to make money. That's exactly what you have to do. And I want to go over a few things with you to kind of help you get through the process of buying traffic online, where to find it, and really how to make sure that you're not getting taken and you're just wasting money, okay? But before we do that, click on the subscribe button. Also click on that bell option. That way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with on a daily basis for you. So buying traffic is going to be the best way to build your business. It's going to be the best way to scale your business up. But you have to be really careful because you can spend money and not get anything back in return. You want to be able to get to the point where you're spending, let's say $1 and you're getting back $1, $2. Spending $1, getting back $1.50. That's a profit. That's what you want to be doing. And there's ways to do that. Now let's talk about a couple of different ways of really getting traffic. Number one, you can go to like Facebook ads. Okay, Facebook ads is where you can buy ads and you can target specific audiences, very specific audiences for that. You can also go to Google AdWords. You can buy links inside of their search engine. You can go to YouTube right here and you can buy YouTube ads. You can also go to Twitter and you can actually put ads onto Twitter. Instagram will allow you to put Instagram ads on their Instagram platform. You do that through your Facebook Business Manager. Also, I believe that Snapchat is also coming out with an ad platform that you can buy ads through them. Now for me, and also there's other ways. Let's just talk about some other ways. You can buy solo ads from vendors where you can go and they have mailing lists and they'll actually mail for you. If you're looking to build an email list, it's a great way to buy traffic. But let me just talk about some of the ways that I've bought traffic in the past and what I like to do today. So I've always, I've bought Google AdWords in the past. To me, Google AdWords is very expensive. You really have to have a big budget to do Google AdWords just because of a lot of the keywords are so expensive right now. We're talking, some of the keywords that are out there could be $10, $15, $20, even $30 per click, okay? We're not talking about conversions, but per click. Facebook, I've always bought Facebook ads. Facebook ads is really good. I really like Facebook ads because it really gets targeted to what I want. So I can really I can narrow down specifically who I want. Now I use Facebook ads a lot for retargeting, which is people that come to my website or people that are on my email list. What I do is I like to show ads to them because they know me, they've seen my videos before, so it's not just a random ad that's being put in front of random people. I like to put my ads in front of people that have gone to my website, they've seen me, they know me, maybe they've seen me a couple times. Those are the ads that I like to run with Facebook. So I don't do a lot of new targeting into new interests, just a lot of retargeting of existing traffic that I get to, let's say my blog and my email list, okay? YouTube ads are going to be really good, but you have to create a video and it's got to be a video that's going to be able to get people to get them off YouTube and onto your email list. It could be onto a webinar, it could be onto a sales page. But you got to get them off YouTube and get them onto your page. Can be tricky. You got to really understand the dynamics of it. So YouTube is going to be, it's a little more advanced. Facebook is going to be one of the easiest platforms to use in order to buy traffic. Twitter I've not used. I've heard really good things about Twitter. I just haven't really used Twitter yet because Twitter is just not my social platform to get into. Instagram, I've tried Instagram. I didn't really have much success with Instagram. I just couldn't get any return through Instagram through that. And plus, right now, they won't let you, I want to target my own Instagram page and I'm not be able to do that, okay? Maybe I haven't figured it out, but I just hadn't had the time to get into it. So Instagram is something that I haven't done. And Snapchat, obviously I don't use Snapchat, so I haven't done their platform for buying traffic through them. Now solo ads is gonna be one of the best ways for me. I love solo ads. because I understand it. I understand how to convert solo ads really good. So I really like solo ads because I'm looking for a lead. And when you're on Facebook and you're buying traffic, you're buying the clicks to get leads. And so I want to just get the lead. Now, I've also bought traffic from vendors who claim to have real-time leads, and what they'll do is they'll dump the leads right into your autoresponder. But I have not had any success with those. Okay, they're going to say that their leads are great, but I feel like the reason why I don't like those is because I'm not in control of the ad. I want to be in control of what I say on the ad and where it's going. Okay, so we're talking about like leads that say, hey, you know, we can put leads, we have real-time leads, and we'll give you these leads, and we'll put them into your autoresponder. I've not had much success with those, you know, you just gotta kind of go with them if you want to go with them. Solo ads and Facebook ads for me are two of the top traffic sources that I like to buy. Now here's the key with traffic sources, okay, and this is very important, and I hope you really understand this, is that if you're going to be buying a piece of traffic, you have to track every click that you do on that traffic, okay? It's imperative that you do this. It's so important, because if you just throw money at something on an ad and you're not tracking it, you don't know whether that ad is performing or not. You got to be able to see if that ad that you buy is turning into a sale or a profit for you. Because if you're spending $100 on Facebook ads and you're not getting any sales on that ad, you're just wasting money. You're just throwing money away. You're just burning it. You might as well give it to me and let me go to Vegas and throw it on to the roulette table. Okay, so if you're not tracking it, you might as well just take your money and just burn it. Okay, it's just crazy. And I see people a lot doing that. They're not tracking. So you have to know exactly, right? When somebody clicks on an ad, they come to your landing page. You got to see, did you get a lead? Okay, does that ad produce a lead? If that ad produced a lead, does that lead turn into a sale? Okay, so then if you have a sale on the back end and you're able to take that money and reinvest that money, you're able to see, yes, these ads are working. So when you see an ad that's working, then all you do is you just ramp it up. If you're spending $10 a day, you can go to $25 a day, or maybe $50 a day. You can just ramp it up and, you know, obviously increase your spend on your ads. Same thing with solo ads. If you find a vendor that's producing sales for you, then what you want to do is you just keep buying from that vendor. Okay, obviously they have good traffic. For me, I test all of these solo vendors that I buy traffic from. I know exactly who sends me sales. I know who does not send me sales. So I just keep rebuying traffic from those that are sending me sales. And the only way I'm able to do that is I'm able to track those sales on the back end. I can see exactly where those sales are coming from. The program that I use to track everything is I use ClickMagick. It's a great program. You might want to use other programs, but ClickMagick for me it's really simple. I just drop a code onto my thank you page. There's also a code on my sales thank you page. That way I can see the sales coming in, I can see the leads coming in. It's just a great program, and you just go to clickmagick.com for that. Now also, if you do Facebook, they have a pixel that you put onto all of your pages, and you can see the conversions from the traffic. You just got to set that up into your audiences, but you want to be able to track that traffic. It's just so important if you're tracking. If you're not tracking, don't buy paid ads. Okay, just stay away from them, because you'll end up losing your money. You'll get frustrated, and you'll quit. And I don't want you to quit. I want you to keep going. So make sure you're tracking all of your traffic. If you want it, and it goes with anything. If you're using Facebook, if you're using Twitter, if you're using YouTube ads, you can use the same exact tracking system to track all of your traffic. You just create a unique link for every ad that you put up. So if you have a banner somewhere, then you have a very unique link that's specific for that banner. And when somebody clicks on that banner and they go to your page and they opt in or they make a sale, you can pinpoint exactly that banner that's producing the sale. And if there's a banner on a website and it's producing sales for you, what do? You just keep spending more money on that banner. So like if you had 10 banners on a website and one of those 10 banners is the only one that's creating sales for you, Then you dump the other 9 banners and you leave that one banner that's on a website. Same thing with Facebook ads. If you have 10 ads running with Facebook ads and only one of the ads out of the 10 is producing sales for you, what do? You dump the other 9 and you keep that one ad and you keep putting money into that ad, or create variations of that ad and see if you can expand just on that. Okay. Solo ads. If you go to a solo ad vendor, if you go to anywhere, any solo ad vendors that you go to, if you go to Udemy, if you go to the solo ad testimonial on Facebook, any of those, you have to have a unique link for every solo ad vendor that you buy solo traffic from. And when you get that unique link, they click on it, they go to your page, they opt in, you see the sale. If you get a sale from that person, great. If not, then you never buy any traffic from them again. And if it's really bad traffic, then you make sure you tell other people about it, stay away from this vendor. Okay. So that's really how you buy traffic. That's how you buy internet traffic. And if you're afraid to buy traffic, you got to get that fear out of your mind. It's so important that you get it out and just let it go, because buying traffic is really the only way it's going to really scale your business. I mean, you can do the blogging, you can do the videos, and those are going to be slow scaling, and eventually that'll start to take off. But if you wanted to get in right now and you want to start making the money that you want, buying traffic is going to be where it's at. But it's only if you can track it, and only if you can see a rate of return. Okay, anything you do in business, you need to be able to get a rate of return. You need to be able to get a return back. You need to be able to spend $1,000, get back $1,500. So you can take that $500 plus that $1,000, reinvest it back in, or you can take that $500, go do what you want, but you've made a profit on that $1,000. That's how you do it with paid ads. Okay, so there you go. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. I hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.
Whistles out.